Hello viewers, welcome to my channel AHB Education. In today's video, I will share some simple and useful English sentences you can use every day in school or at the office. These sentences will help you sound more confident and professional. Let's get started. For school or students. Number 1, may I come in please? Number 2, I forgot to bring my notebook today. Number 3, can you please explain it again? Number 4, I will submit my assignment by tomorrow. Number 5, I did not understand this topic clearly. Number 6, excuse me, may I go to the washroom? Number 7, could you please repeat the question? Number 8, can you reschedule the test? Number 9, I need more time to complete this. Number 10, I will work harder next time. Number 11, do we have any homework today? Number 12, can I borrow your pen? Number 13, please check my notebook. Number 14, when is the assignment due? Number 15, can I help you with this project? Number 16, group work is more fun. Number 17, I like this subject a lot. Number 18, I did not do well in the test. Number 19, I will do better next time. Number 20, thank you ma'am for the lesson. For office or professional. Number 1, good morning, how are you? Number 2, let's begin the meeting. Number 3, I will get back to you soon. Number 4, I'm still working on that task. Number 5, please give me a moment. Number 6, can we talk about this later? Number 7, sorry for the inconvenience. Number 8, thanks for the update. Number 9, can I help you with something? Number 10, let me know if you need anything. Number 11, please send me the report. Number 12, the deadline is very close. Number 13, I will send it by the end of the day. Number 14, can we reschedule the meeting? Number 15, that sounds like a great idea. Number 16, I need some clarification on this. Number 17, let's finalize the plan. Number 18, I appreciate your feedback. Number 19, thanks for your time. And number 20, have a great day ahead. Bonus, smart tips. Use polite words. Please, sorry, thank you, and excuse me go a long way. Practice these sentences daily, even with yourself in the mirror. Record your voice and listen to improve your fluency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Until then, keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much for watching my video.